What's up, guys? It's Pete here, doing a little mystery box unboxing. I bought a 10-pack of discs from Disc Golf Shipping, and they just came in today, and I'm just opening up, seeing what I got. This is actually the first disc that I ever bought online, and I'm starting a set and just trying out different discs, seeing what fits, what feels good, and just wanted to get a bunch of them to try out. So here we go. I'm gonna open up this first unboxing. It's pretty quick. It only took, I don't know, 3 days to come in. Alright, so let's see what these are. First one is a mid-range Wasp by Discraft. It's like a purple, transparent, or opaque Wasp, mid-range, 5.302 1.5. Alright, let's try it out. We'll see. Number two, it is blue. It is Discmania Putter Sensei 3301. Discmania Sensei. Cool. Alright, let's go for number 3. It is a Innova Wraith driver, distance driver. 11.5, -1 and 3. The Blizzard Champion. Innova Wraith distance driver. Alright, we're gonna definitely try it out and see how it feels. Got a bunch of different kinds to try out. Let's go for the next one. Number 4 is a Palmic Bet Discraft ESP Buzz mid-range. 5.4 -1 1 0.5. Here we go. Discraft Palmic Bet Series Buzz. That's number 4 ESP. I have no idea what any of these mean, but hopefully we get some good ones in here. Number 5 is the Innova Putt & Approach Dart. We got a putter. 3400. The Dot. Cool. Red. Here we go. Number 6. Discmania Evolution Origin mid-range driver. It's really next one is 5 5 negative 1 1. Origin. Yeah, wait. Very cool. Alright, number 7. Axiom distance driver. The Thrill. Axiom Thrill. Cool. Black with like a purple rim. Awesome. Alright. Number 8. Innova Mirage Pun Approach. Cool rainbow holographic logo, putter, and approach. Mirage. Alright, we got 2 more to go. Okay, we got a Axiom Pun Approach Envy. Axiom Pun Approach Envy. This one's like the other Axiom. This one's got the tan center with like a blue turquoise rim. Looks cool. Can't wait to try them out. Alright, here we go. Last one. The Undertaker. H. Pierce. Undertaker. Disc grab. Distance driver 6'5 negative 1 2. Undertaker. Cool checkered logo. Nice. Alright, there you go. Box is empty. I gotta try them out, take them in my backyard and just start throwing, and we'll see what comes out. Thanks.